Disgraceful. Tinubu's obituary surfaced in replacement of his presidential campaign poster in Katsina. See reaction. My dear listeners, in fact, Tinubu is the only aspirant that is suffering the humiliation more than any other person. I've just dropped not quite long. I've just dropped a content that revealed to us Tinubu's the humiliation Tinubu suffered in Kaduna. Now this one is happening in Katsina. Katsina. You see, Tinubu will keep fooling himself like this until he is completely chased away from the seat of being an aspirant, not even as a president. You will not believe it. See how he's just going from north to north. In Kaduna, they almost killed him. They chased him with sticks. Now in Katsina, it's a different thing entirely. They did not chase him. The campaign poster that's supposed to be having inscriptions like Tinubu for president, Tinubu a reliable and credibility president. Campaign poster that's supposed to be having inscriptions like vote Tinubu for one Nigeria, vote Tinubu for a better Nigeria, vote Tinubu for the best Nigeria, is now having his face as an obituary. Is unbelievable and too disgusting and embarrassing. I wonder what Tinubu is still doing concerning this. Let's just check the content. This is morning news. Quite disgusting as Tinubu's campaign poster replaces his obituary in Katsina as the youth go round the streets, pasting him as a dead man and not as an aspirant. It has been so disturbing that Bola Ahmed Tinubu continued the suffering of humiliation in the whole of North where he goes for his campaign rally. This same humiliation is suffered in Kaduna, where the people of Kaduna chased him with sticks and stones, saying no to his presence. Storming Katsina, Tinubu suffers the worst, whereby the people go round with his posters as a dead man and not as an aspirant. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who finally spoke to the media, said the people are acting in ignorance. He said that they are acting because of the action of President Øbïtūäry when he gained power. He said that the promise President Øbïtūäry made to them was not well met, that he's a different person and will be willing to do better than Buhari. President Tinubu said that nothing is going to happen to his campaign, that even if the people have rejected him now, they will soon realize that he is the best person for them. This will not weigh me down, but rather will motivate me, he said. Speaking further, he said that Nigerians must understand the importance of choosing the right leader. The time is now. We must not be deceived. Emilokan, he said. Look at. See who they say we should vote for. He has started bragging again. This is how he bragged when he was giving his speech, his speech as the winner of the primary. Tinubu is full of brags, and the same thing goes to the wife. I'm telling you, same thing goes to the wife. So, is this what we'll be facing when he storms when he succeeds as the president of Nigeria? Instead of him paying attention to the economy, he will be paying attention to bragging. Eh? This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. And too embarrassing. So, my dear listeners, I tell you that the Northerners are no longer interested in Bola Tinubu. Take it or you leave it. That is the truth. That is the truth. There is nothing anyone can do about it. If you say I am telling a lie, check out what is going to happen in other northern states. It has happened in Kaduna. It has happened in Katsina. Check the other states. Then you understand what I am talking about. But to me, this that has happened in these two states is the embarrassment of the millennium. Whether you take it or you leave it, that is the humble my humble opinion. Well, my people, just like it has been said that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the right choice by the Northerners. Same is being said in the other states and region. You understand? All right. Let me hear from you and know what you equally think and what your take on this that has just happened to Bola Ahmed Tinubu is to you. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.